Hi guys, it's Leah. Today we're going over my technology showcase and I'm talking about a 5th grade classroom. There are a couple of tools that we use throughout the semester that I think were really beneficial that I could use in my 5th grade classroom later down the road. And the first one I'm going to talk to you about is Pinterest, and then I'm going to talk to you about Google Docs. So Pinterest I think is great for the classroom, even though some people may not think so, because you can use it to narrow your searches down and it leads you to different websites. So I am working on a World War II project with my 5th graders. So when you go to history, you can click on certain boards. And we're going to go ahead and click on World War II. From there, it's going to have related topics, break it down. So let's say someone wanted to talk just about Pearl Harbor, they could click on this. Or if another student really wanted to zone in on certain countries within the war, you can look at the United States and you can look at Germany. And this is really neat because you can use these things to use as not only primary sources, pictures that were taken in the war like this, or you can use them to talk about events leading up to it. The great thing about Pinterest is it always gives you a visual aid, which really helps certain students who may not understand it find things that really catch their eye and really bring it to light for them. This, I think, goes over quite a few ISTE standards. Definitely research and information fluency. Kids have to research, they have to find sources that are reliable, communication and collaboration. If they're working on a project where they have to find, each group has to find a certain topic, that's great because it can break it down and they have to talk as a group, what do they think is important. Critical thinking, problem solving, decision making for sure, just because they have to look at these things and see what is going to be most beneficial for them. And they have to decide, I think this is a great resource. I'm going to use this in my research. And then definitely digital citizenship. Not everything that you find on these websites is going to be perfect. So you want to make sure to find the one that's going to be most beneficial for the classroom and for the topic that they're talking about. So they're still working on this World War II project. So earlier in the semester, we had to create one for set up a project and then find that in the classroom. So this would be for the 5th grade classroom, and they have to find a primary source. So they have to go online, find one. They could even use that Pinterest, and then they can collaborate on a Google Doc and add, this is an image, this is what I see in this image, here's how I think it relates to World War II, and then the teacher can go ahead and respond to them and say, why do you think this? Why do you think, what's giving you this idea? And this is a picture from D-Day in World War II, and this can be used for students. They can find this on Pinterest, they can find this online, but this is great because it talks about finding historical accuracy, well thought out, and this meets a lot of ISTE standards, especially research and information fluency, because they have to find a picture and analyze that picture deeply and see, why do I believe that this is this day? Communication and collaboration for sure, especially if we're looking at a group project, and then definitely with digital citizenship. You want to make sure that these images are legally. You can use resources like Library of Congress to find images like this. So you want to make sure that they're using them from legally, they're finding them legally, and then they're using them in the classroom. And then definitely exhibiting leadership for digital citizenship. So they want to make sure that they're doing this in a way that's beneficial for the classroom and for them. So overall, that is my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.